talk about the legal definition of hate speech, the first instrument that we should look at, which Pakistan is also a state party to, is the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights. Article 20 of the ICCPR that provides that any advocacy of national, racial, or religious hatred that constitutes incitement to discrimination, hostility, or violence shall be prohibited by law.
It is now also criminalized under the Prevention of Electronic Crimes Act, which defines it as any speech through any device or information system that advances or is likely to advance interfaith, sectarian, or racial hatred.
Now, cyberbullying can overlap with hate speech in that hate speech can be used to cyberbully someone. Cyberbullying is much more targeted to a specific individual or a select few individuals, and it's much more about attacking and harassing and going after that one person. Shireen Mazari's tweet was not hate speech or cyberbullying because it was a comment on public art, and it was in no way harassing or targeting the singers in a personal manner.
Great power comes great responsibility. This is my gift, my curse. Who am I?
I'm Moumina Mustahssin, and if you enjoyed watching this video, please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe.